Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so nervous. So it is actually 3 minutes before they are supposed to read the verdict. So I'm not even going to do the intro today, but I am going to say, before we get into today's video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please remember to be kind to everybody everywhere in your everyday life, in your home, in the grocery store, and especially in the comment section down below. Please do not show hate to anybody, anywhere. So, all right, you guys, there is 3 minutes still up, 2 minutes. It is 1:58 my time, which actually makes it 2:58 their time. And I am looking right now. I can see that Amber is there. I know there were some talks that neither Amber nor Johnny would be there. I really wish Johnny would have been there. I don't understand why he wasn't. Maybe his own reasons. I do wish he would have been there. But anyways, we'll get to that later. So by the time y'all are seeing this, y'all already know the verdict if you've watched it. And so I'm going to film my reaction live. I've got my family, my mother-in-law is watching, and Grandma Lee is watching, and Brianna is down there watching it with them, and then 2 of my friends, and we're all in a group chat too, because we're all watching. So, oh my gosh. Before we get into it though, if you guys don't already know me, hi, my name is Christina. I do have a second channel, Casually Christina. We'll talk about that later. I also have a Patreon. My Patreon is for 18 and up. Over there, we talk about more personal story times. We go live over there. 1 minute. We have a $2 tier over there where all of the stuff that goes against YouTube's terms and policies is over there. True crime stuff. We go over crime scene photos, stuff like that. You guys want to be over there if you're into this Johnny Depp case, because I have a new video about Amber that cannot go on YouTube. I have a Facebook as well as an Instagram, and those are always linked down in the description box if you'd like to come and check me out. It's almost time. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. 1 minute. It's probably like 30 seconds. Ah! Oh, they're standing up. Ah! Scared. I know she's got to be nervous, y'all. Now, I know she's done some things that we don't agree with. And I know whatever. I know some of y'all have no sympathy at all. And for the most part, I don't either. And that's not like me, but this is big.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what I need you to do, I need to give the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, 1 or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1 for compensatory damages and up to whatever you feel the damages should be. And for punitive damages, you can put a 0 there, or you can fill out that as well, but I need those lines filled out, okay? All right, so if I can have you retire back to the operation room and do that for me, okay?
So they decided who wins, but they didn't decide how much money. That's what it seems like. Here we go, guys. They're bringing the jury back in. Okay, Amber does look nervous.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against silence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition, quote, I spoke up against silence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Oh,
question,
look at
the
her.
statement was
I get
false?
chills.
Answer, yes.
They said it was
Question,
false.
the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Wow.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Whoa. Whoa, that's crazy.
Entitled, a transformative moment for women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Wow.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
What are they going to say on the other side, though?
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million.
$10 million.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes.
What does that mean?
3. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
Yes! Yes, I was scared.
As against John C. Depp
I was
II,
scared.
we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million.
Okay.
As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Fair.
Does either side wish to have the jury poll?
Fair.
Yes,
That
Your
is
Honor.
so fair. That is fair. Okay, that is fair. Although I don't think that those statements made by his attorney shouldn't represent Johnny Depp. I get what they did here, and it's fine because Amber's claims were deemed by the court as false, and that is the most important thing. She owes him money. He probably will never get it, but it's all good, right? It's all good because his name has been cleared. Oh my gosh, my family, you guys, it's just group chat. They're just going at it, and everybody feels thankful.
Okay. In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay?
So what it sounds like is, although the jury awarded Johnny Depp $5 million in punitive damages, their statutory cap is $350,000. So he won't get that, but it was still nice of them. And I know that they protected the jury's names for up to a year unless they want to speak out. And I do hope that they do if they feel comfortable, because the public is on their side here. They may not know that just yet. And I tend to believe that they didn't know that, because if they knew, they probably would have came to this way earlier. But it really sounds like they went through every single thing and thought about it. I do hate that Johnny Depp still got roped in with those statements that Mr. Waldman made, But how can that be, right? Because if the judge, and I don't know, you guys, I'm not professional. They're all hugging. Look at them. They're so emotional. I'm so happy for them. You guys, look at this. Look at Ben. His face is red. Some of them are crying. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. Look at these are genuine hugs. These people believed in Johnny Depp. And I don't think for a second that their pay, oh, look at Ben. Ben is so cute. I don't think for a second that his attorney's pay had anything to do with his winnings. I don't think it was that type of thing. He already paid them. Oh, look, Camille's even wiping her nose. That's real emotions there. Look at Ben. He's so relieved. You know, these people really grew to love Johnny Depp. And you guys, I was talking about this with my family the other day, that they probably see Johnny, not probably, they'd see Johnny in a way that we've never seen him before, right? Like they've probably met his family and his kids. We know they've been to his house, and these people love him and believe in him. And they were very much emotionally invested in this, not just in a trial. Like they really care about Johnny and they really believed in him. You think they've heard all these recordings and more. And I'm surprised that Amber didn't cry. Like I would have cried. I would have been crying my eyes out, but I wonder why she didn't. I wonder if she's capable of, if she's a person that may not be capable of feeling real emotions. Some people are like that, you know? This is a huge deal. It doesn't get too much bigger than this when you're talking about trial, right? And me and my family was talking about this too. I don't believe we'll ever see a trial like this again in our lifetime, ever. And let me tell you why. And I told y'all this kind of before, and a lot of people were saying, oh, but O.J. Simpson's trial, which was huge, Casey Anthony's trial, which is huge, and I think all of y'all that watch Casey Anthony's trial have been scarred for life, like me and everybody else that has, because we realized, oh my gosh, a lot of us were just devastated. We just knew that she would be found guilty, but she wasn't. So when me and my family was talking about this, and I was just saying, like, we will never see another trial like this, I don't believe, in our lifetime. This is so unique. Okay, first of all, a lot of us have some sort of connection to Johnny Depp because we've been watching him all of our lives. I mean, Johnny Depp started acting in '84. That was the year I was born. He's been an actor my whole entire life. I remember him from Edward Scissorhands, Black Mass, Blow, which is my absolute favorite movie of his. I'm a true crime story person though, okay? All of his old school movies, you know, like a lot of us grew up watching him and we felt some sort of like, we kind of know him because we know his roles, even though we know we don't, right? And the situation with him and Amber being the fact that they recorded so much and he wanted this trial and he wanted his story. Like this type of thing doesn't happen. Although it may start happening in the future, I don't know, because people have phones now and people start recording when they feel like they need evidence because people do lie. So I don't know, maybe we will see something like this in the future, but it would be shocking. This was huge. This was huge. And this was a good trial. And I think the verdict from the jury was fair, was extremely fair. So any of y'all that wanted him to win the whole $50 million, don't be mad. Don't go and curse people out. You guys show kindness to everybody everywhere because like this was very fair and it's obvious that the jury really took their time and went through every single thing. Although I still don't agree with the Walden statement stuff. I still don't, but it was still fair and it was their decision to make. I think they made a great one. So what do you guys think? I can't wait till Johnny comes out and does some sort of statement. I want to hear what he's got to say. I've already told y'all that I think that they've been filming behind the scenes. I can't wait till that comes out. I have also heard that there was multiple documentaries being made. So literally like 5 minutes after they released everybody from the courthouse, Amber's already put out a statement on her Instagram, which tells me that in my opinion, she already had this written up. Listen to this. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what the verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I'm sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. Oh, Amber, girl, this is just the amount of evidence that was to Amber being the aggressor is uncanny. And the thing that annoyed me, I guess, about the trial or the closing statements of Rottenborn, because in his closing statements, he said that no matter how many photos you take, it'll never be enough. Or how many, people you tell, it's never enough. And how many times you call the cops, it's not enough, or whatever, right? But that's not Amber. Amber's situation is so different, okay? Amber's situation is completely different. And it's just bizarre to me that that is the stance that they're taking. And the fact that Amber didn't take enough photos was not the issue. The issue is that she took tons of photos, but she never took photos of the stuff that she claimed was the worst stuff. She took photos of things that could really be anything. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was so good. I hope that this sends a message to anybody out there that's doing this to people or that has done this to people, that don't do that. Don't lie on other people. Don't try to manipulate people and use them and get your friends in cahoots. I have seen it before myself. And people that do that type of thing are terrifying, because Amber gave it her all. She gave it everything she had. She collected pictures. She collected all kind of stuff. She got friends in cahoots. She took pictures of marks on her faces. She did what she thought she had to do. And then on top of it, she told Johnny, tell the world, Johnny. Tell the world. Tell the world I too am a victim of domestic violence, and see who will believe you. You guys have a great day. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you turn on your notification bells, because I'm not sure when it will be. Kind of need to take a break because this was a lot. But if something comes out, I may have to throw a video out. So you guys turn on your notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you for caring about my opinion. Thank you for just being here and listening to my nonsense. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see y'all in the comment section. I'll see you later. Love you guys. Bye. Good news. Bye.
Hi, everyone. Today's verdict confirms what we have said from the beginning, that the claims against Johnny Depp are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence. We are grateful, so grateful to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff who have devoted an enormous amount of time and resources towards this case.
Our judicial system is predicated on each person's right to have his or her case heard, and we were honored, truly honored, to assist Mr. Depp in ensuring that his case was fairly considered throughout the trial. We are also most pleased that the trial has resonated for so many people in the public who value truth and justice. Now that the jury has reached its conclusive verdict, it's time to turn the page and look to the future. Thank you all so much, and thanks to the jury.
Thank you so much.
We are dreaming.